This project presents a high-resolution drone survey conducted along the coastal region of Dahanu, Maharashtra. The survey supports coastal infrastructure planning through accurate and data-driven geospatial analysis. Using advanced UAV technology, high-precision aerial data was captured across the project site. The captured images were processed to generate high-resolution orthophotos, providing true ground representation. Digital surface and terrain models were developed to represent elevation, terrain features, and surface structures. Contour maps derived from terrain data enable detailed elevation analysis and slope assessment. Land use and land cover mapping helps classify different surface features such as vegetation, water bodies, and built-up areas. Delivering precision mapping using drone, GIS, and remote sensing technologies.